Hello everyone, I'm Sulei. I'm from Myanmar and I'm 19 years old. Now I'm studying for summer semester at Rangsit University and I choose biomedical science as my major. I'm a freshman student for this year. I choose biomedical science because I'm interested in medical science since I was in Myanmar. And I want to work in laboratory. That's why, and I choose international program to meet my new friends. And I'm interested in reading novels, and I usually read novels up to 12 a.m. and my hobby is swimming. If you are interested, you can find me at the ISU swimming pool around 5 p.m. in the evening, and I'm interested in snakes too. One of my greatest hobby ever